Hi, welcome to this machine learning course. I'm sure you are really excited to learn this amazing technology. But before we begin the actual content, I want to discuss few things with you. I want to discuss how exactly this course is going to span out. Okay? So what we are going to do is, in the first few lectures, we are going to discuss Python. Okay? So we are going to study Python in the first few lectures. Then we will be exploring few Python libraries. After we are hands-on on both these things, only then we will jump into machine learning. Okay? We will study various algorithms in machine learning like linear regression, logistic regression, naive Bayes, decision trees, and many other things. Okay? So to start, the first thing that we will need to do is to install a package known as Anaconda. Okay? Anaconda. Now Anaconda is going to give me Python and few of its libraries and Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we will see what Jupyter Notebook exactly is. So let's start with the installation of Anaconda. Now what you are supposed to do is go to anaconda.org. Okay, so go to anaconda.org and towards the right you will see download Anaconda option. Okay, so click on download Anaconda. Scroll at the bottom. Okay. So as per your operating system, whether you are on Windows, Mac or Linux, install the package that you need. Okay. Please make sure that you download the Python 3.7 version and download accordingly whether you are on 64-bit or 32-bit system. Okay. So after you have downloaded, just install it, keep pressing next. You don't need to make any changes and then finish. Okay. So after your package is installed, what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to open Anaconda prompt if you are on Windows. If you are on Mac or Linux, you should open your terminal. Okay. Since I am on my Mac, so I will be opening terminal. Okay. So I will be opening terminal. If you are on Windows, you have to open Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt. It's like CMD. And after opening it, you are supposed to type Jupyter Notebook and click enter. Okay. Now a window will open in a browser. Okay. This is basically a Jupyter Notebook. Now let's create a new folder. There is an option new and choose folder. There will be a folder, untitled folder formed. So you can rename it. Let's rename it machine learning. Okay. So this is the folder where we will be placing all our Python files. Okay. So let's open the folder. Let's create our first Python file. New Python 3. So this is our first Python notebook. Okay. So we can rename it if we want. Let's rename it Python Basics. Okay. So now from the next session, we are going to start writing some code. Okay. So I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.